The tongue taste map. The idea of a tongue taste map is outdated and incorrect. All regions of the tongue can detect all 5 basic tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. Research has shown that taste buds, which contain taste receptor cells, are distributed across the entire tongue. These taste cells send signals to the brain, where the perception of taste occurs. Charles Zucker's research demonstrated that the brain is the ultimate interpreter of taste. Experiments showed that manipulating specific neurons could change the perceived taste, regardless of what the tongue actually detected. The taste map misconception originated from a misinterpretation of early 20th century research. Modern studies have corrected this view, emphasizing the brain's role in taste perception. Thus, the taste map belongs more to the realm of myth than scientific reality. We lose most of our body heat through our head. The claim that we lose most of our body heat through our heads is a misconception. In reality, the head loses about 7 to 10% of body heat, which is proportional to its surface area. The myth likely originated from military experiments where soldiers were fully clothed except for their heads. Naturally, in such conditions, the uncovered head would lose more heat. Our heads feel colder due to the high density of nerve endings in the face and scalp. This increased sensitivity makes the head seem like a major source of heat loss. However, any exposed body part will lose heat proportionally. Wearing a hat in cold weather is still beneficial, but not because the head is uniquely prone to heat loss. It's simply a matter of exposed surface area and nerve sensitivity. No two people have identical fingerprints. While fingerprints are highly individual, it's not proven that no two people could ever have the same fingerprints. Fingerprints are formed by unique friction ridges, and their patterns are complex, making exact matches extremely rare. However, identical patterns are statistically possible, though unlikely. Misidentifications have occurred in forensic science, sometimes due to varying standards for fingerprint analysis. Fingerprint identification relies on matching certain points of similarity, and standards for this can differ. Even identical twins do not have completely identical fingerprints, despite their genetic similarities. Fingerprint patterns form in the womb and remain largely unchanged throughout life. Scars or damage can alter fingerprints, but they typically retain their original patterns. Thus, while the chance of identical fingerprints is minuscule, it's not entirely impossible. Your appendix is useless. The appendix, long thought to be useless, actually serves important functions in the immune system. Research has shown that the appendix acts as a safe house for beneficial bacteria. These bacteria can repopulate the gut after illnesses that clear out intestinal contents. The appendix contains lymphoid tissue that supports immune responses. This tissue helps protect the gut from harmful pathogens. During infections, the appendix can help maintain a healthy microbiome. By preserving beneficial bacteria, the appendix aids in digestive health. Its immune functions are especially important in maintaining gut flora balance. Thus, rather than being a useless organ, the appendix has evolved to play a supportive role in gut immunity. The color of your pee indicates whether you're dehydrated. While urine color can indicate hydration status, it is not a foolproof measure. Many factors can affect urine color, including diet, medications, and supplements. Darker urine can result from foods like beets or berries, not just dehydration. Certain vitamins and medications can also alter urine color, making it misleading. Hydration levels are influenced by various physiological factors that urine color alone cannot capture. Studies have shown that urine color is a rough estimate at best. Relying solely on urine color can lead to overhydration or hyponatremia, a dangerous dilution of body salts. Consistent fluid intake throughout the day is a better approach to maintaining hydration. Thus, while urine color offers some clues, it is not the definitive indicator of hydration. Your body is 100% human. Surprisingly, only about 43% of the body's cell count is human, with the rest being part of our microbiome. The microbiome consists of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microorganisms that inhabit every inch of our body. These microbes play crucial roles in digestion, immune function, and even mood regulation. They synthesize vitamins, break down complex carbohydrates, and protect against pathogens. Genetically, microbial genes outnumber human genes by about 100 to 1. This second genome enhances and influences many bodily functions. The microbiome is essential for maintaining health and preventing disease. Disruptions to this microbial community can lead to various health issues. Thus, we are more microbial than human, making our symbiotic relationship with these organisms vital. Humans only use 10% of their brain. This myth suggests that a large portion of our brain remains inactive, implying untapped potential. In reality, brain imaging studies show that virtually all parts of the brain have some level of activity, even when we are at rest. Different tasks and activities stimulate various regions, but over the course of a day, nearly the entire brain is active. Neurons in the brain are constantly firing, maintaining vital functions and supporting complex thought processes. Damage to even small areas of the brain can result in significant deficits, indicating that we use far more than just 10%. The myth may have originated from misunderstandings of neurological research or misquotes from early neuroscientists. However, modern neuroscience has debunked this claim. proving that our brains are fully utilized. Shaving makes hair grow back thicker and faster. This widespread belief is not supported by scientific evidence. When hair grows back after shaving, it may appear thicker and darker, but this is due to the blunt tip created by the razor. The blunt tip can make the hair feel coarser, but the actual growth rate and thickness of the hair are unaffected by shaving. Hair growth is determined by genetics and hormonal factors, not by shaving. Studies have shown no significant changes in hair density or growth speed after shaving. The misconception may persist because the stubble feels more noticeable than longer, tapered hair. However, shaving does not alter the hair follicle's function or the hair's inherent properties. The myth likely continues due to subjective perception rather than biological reality. Cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. Many people believe that the habitual cracking of knuckles can cause arthritis, specifically osteoarthritis. However, numerous studies have found no direct link between knuckle cracking and the development of arthritis. The sound of knuckle cracking is caused by the rapid release of gas bubbles from the synovial fluid within the joint. While excessive knuckle cracking can cause temporary swelling or reduced grip strength, it does not damage the joints in a way that leads to arthritis. A famous study by Dr. Donald Unger, who cracked the knuckles of one hand for over 50 years while leaving the other hand alone, showed no difference in arthritis development between the two hands. Arthritis is more commonly caused by genetic factors, aging, and joint injuries, rather than by knuckle cracking. You can catch a cold from being cold. The common cold is caused by viruses, primarily rhinoviruses, not by cold temperatures. While colds are more frequent in colder months, this is due to factors such as spending more time indoors in close proximity to others, which facilitates the spread of viruses. Additionally, the lower humidity in winter allows viruses to survive longer in the air. Cold weather can weaken the immune system to some extent, making it easier for infections to take hold, but it is not the direct cause of the cold itself. Preventing colds involves good hygiene practices, such as frequent hand washing and avoiding close contact with infected individuals. Wearing warm clothing can help prevent other health issues related to cold exposure, but it won't prevent a viral infection. The misconception persists because colds are more common in winter, leading to a false correlation between cold weather and the illness. We've just unraveled some of the most common myths about the human body, revealing fascinating truths about our biology. But myths and misconceptions aren't limited to our physical selves. They extend into the realm of technology, particularly artificial intelligence, AI. Just as we debunked myths about the human body, it's time to challenge our perceptions about AI. Are you ready to discover what's fact and what's fiction in the world of AI? Check out our next video where we debunk the top myths about artificial intelligence.